Hello guys! So today I will introduce the scholarship programs you can apply to study in China. So over the past decade, China has established one of the largest higher education systems in the world. Chinese graduates dominate the largest numbers worldwide annually, with many excelling in different industries and fields. China is also home to top-tier universities that have kept moving upwards in the major global university ranking tables. Recognizing the role of quality of education in national industrialization and social progress, the Chinese government offers numerous scholarships for international students. In fact, China is one of the most generous countries providing scholarships for foreign students. Let's discuss about the scholarships available to study in China. So firstly, of course, you can apply for the Chinese government scholarships. So it's called CSC scholarship. CSC scholarships are one of the most common scholarships awarded to the international students, provided by the Chinese Scholarship Council. This type of government scholarship is an initiative of the Chinese Ministry of Education to promote education, cultural exchange, political cooperation, and mutual understanding between other countries and China. CSC scholarships can be partially or fully funded. The Chinese government also offers other scholarships such as Confucius Institute scholarships, CASTWAS scholarships, Chinese provincial government scholarships, and many more scholarships to international students. Undergraduate, master's, and doctoral students who qualify for CSC scholarships receive a monthly stipend, free tuition, and free accommodation during their study in China. So second scholarship you can apply is Chinese university scholarships. So the majority of universities in China offer scholarships for students. These scholarships can cover your tuition fees as well as the cost of your accommodation. For example, Xiamen University offers 5 different scholarships for international students so they can study in China. So to search for programs and universities offering scholarships or scholarship updates, you can click on the link below to find more information about it. Third scholarship you can apply are private scholarships. These types of scholarships are offered by distinguished alumni, big companies, and charitable institutions. Independent scholarships can cover the full or partial tuition fee and are usually awarded to international students who have exemplary academic records.